Hello, guys. Good afternoon. This is the teacher Miguel again, and today we are going to keep talking about countable and uncountable nouns. But for this lesson, the class for this topic, for this lesson, for this lesson, the topic is quantifiers. So let's start. The quantifiers indicate the quantity of a noun. They respond to the question how much or how many. As with the articles in the English, the quantifiers define nouns and are always located in front of the noun, and they define some quantifiers can be used only with countable nouns and other only with uncountable nouns, another with both. We use quantifier to express the idea of quantity of numbers, and below the and following is a summary of the verbs of the variums. So we use how many for questions with countable nouns. We have here the examples. How many days are there in January? How many countries are there in the world? How many students are there in your class? We used how much for questions with uncountable nouns. For example, how much money do you have? How much milk is in the fridge? How much sugar will you like in your coffee? Um, this is another example. How much coffee do you drink a day? How many eggs do you need to prepare a cake? I have another example here. I bought many apples today. I bought a lot of apples today, and I bought a lot of apples today. Another example is I like much sugar in my tea. I like a lot of sugar in my coffee. This is another examples. We have another quantifier that is a few or few that is for countable nouns. For example, we have a few represents a positive quality. It means some or a small amount. In this case, Carol has got a few strawberries and she can make some jam. And few express a negative quality or shortage. It means not many or not enough. Jill has got very few strawberries, so she can't make any jam. We have another quantifier that is little and a little that is for uncountable nouns. In this case, we have another example that is a little is used with a positive quantity. Sorry, it means a small amount or some. For example, here is Carol has got a little flour and she can make a cake. Another one it's a little, and we have here little express a negative quantity. It means almost nothing or not much. And here's another example, and it's Jill has got very little flour and she can't make a cake. This is another example. I have a few friends, but I'm happy, and I have a few minutes and I'm late. There's another example. I have a little money and I will buy a hot dog. I can't go to the cinema and I have a little money. So now let's to have a little game with the quantifiers and the vocabulary using how much or how many. And we have any, little, not, and, some, lot of, much, few, and many. And it is the quantifier. So let's start. Click the right word to complete the sentence. We have here a fridge and we have a lot of things here. And it says the sentence, there is empty water bottle. We have here a lot of, many, much, some, or any. What is the answer? What do you think that is the answer? We have a lot of water or empty. We have any? No. What about is many? No. What about if we use some? No. Lot of? No. Much? No. A little? No. Few? No. The correct answer is a or and. There is an empty water bottle. For this case, we have here the empty bottle water. The exercise number 2 or the example, click the right word to complete the sentence. There isn't cake left. We have lot of, many, much, some, any, no, little, few, or an. And we are looking for the cake. We have a, many, much, some, any. We have a few, no. What's a little? No. Some, no. Lot of? We have any? No. What about with much? Yes, there isn't much cake left. We have not much cake here. The next one. The next one is that there are only onions or onions. We have the onions here in the fridge and we need to looking for them. And we have only a few, many, some, no, a few. Yes, we have. There are only a few onions because we have only 2 onions here in the fridge. For the next one, we have how eggs are there. We have a space here between the sentence and we need to looking for the answer. We have lot of, many, much, some, any, none, little, few, or an. We have some eggs, no. Any, no. We have much, no. We have a lot of, no. We have a few, no. We have many, many, many. How many? Because this is a question and we use how many to make questions. The next one, we have there is butter in the fridge. There is, and we are indicated that we have something here, some butter in the fridge, and we need to use lot of, many, much, some, or any. And there is some, no. Much, no. Can you see the butter? Any, no. A lot of, no. Many, no. A little, no. Few, no. We have none. There is no butter in the fridge. There is not butter in the fridge. So the next one, there aren't mushrooms. Where is the mushrooms? Where are the mushrooms? There aren't. Lot of? No. What about if we use many? No. Some? No. A few? No. A little? No. We have none. There aren't. What about if we use any? Perfect. There aren't any mushrooms. There aren't any mushrooms in the fridge. The next one we have there is only a orange juice. We have a orange juice, a lot of, many, much, some, any, none, little, few, or and. There is a some, no, any. There is a little orange juice. There is a little. Here is the orange juice. It's a little. The next one, there is milk in the fridge. Where is the milk? Here is the milk. There is some. No. There is many. No. Much. No. A lot of. Yes, there is a lot of milk in the fridge. We have here 1 and 2 cans of milk. Perfect. The next one, we have ham here. There is a ham. And we have, we have any or some. In this case, is any because we are asking for the ham. Is there any ham in the fridge? Perfect. The next one, would you like ham? And we need to use lot of, many, much, some. We have, would you like some jam? In this case, we have the ham, no the jam, it's ham. In this case, and would you like some ham? And we are asking for you like. The next one, there is small sauces. Where is the small sauces? We have here in the top of the fridge, and there is some, no, any, no, a little, no, a few, no, a lot of, no, many, no, much, no, it's known, no. So there is a small sauces. We have a small sauces here. Perfect. The next one, we have there isn't beef. We have beef, and it's some beef, much, no, a lot of, many, or any. Yes, there is any beef in the fridge. The next one, we have how fish is there. In this case, we are using how many or how much for the fish. It's countable or uncountable. We have how much fish is there, because the fish is countable or uncountable. And the next one, we have there are food containers, and we have here the food containers, and we have much, some, any. We choose much, no, some, no, any, no. We have none, little, or few, no. There are a lot of food containers. The next one, we have there is a few, no, cheese, no. There is a few cheese, no. There is some cheese, no. There is any, no. There is a little cheese. There is a little cheese here. Perfect. There are apples and bananas. We use much or some for the bananas. So in this case, we are using some. There are some apples and bananas. The next one, we have there aren't carrots. There aren't none carrots, no. Any carrots, no. Some, no. Much, no. Many. In this case, we are using many carrots. There aren't many carrots. The next one, there are only a strawberry. There are only a few. We are using there are only a few strawberries in this case. There is roast chicken. We are using there is some roast chicken, much, no, any, or a lot of, no, many, no, few, no, a little, there is none, there is a roast chicken. There is a roast chicken. Okay, guys, thank you very much. We finished with the class, and I hope to see you the next class. Thank you very much.